بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الدين عند الله الإسلام وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم إن المقسطين عند الله على منابر من نور. Respected the President of the Association, honorable teachers, judges and all my dear friends. Today, in this annual competitive program, I would like to say something about the merits of Islam. Dear friends, Islam is the great blessing that Allah has given to humanity for guidance, light, peace, and success. It is not just a set of beliefs or acts of worship, but a complete way of life that enlightens a person's inner and outer self, the individual and society, this world and the hereafter. The merits of Islam are so clear that a true seeker of truth immediately recognizes that this religion is from Allah. Allah Ta'ala says in the Holy Quran in Surah Al-Imran, verse number 19, Inna ad-deena inda Allahi al-Islam. Indeed, the only religion acceptable to Allah is Islam. Dear friends, there are many points of merits of Islam. Number one is Tawheed, the soul of Islam. The greatest beauty of Islam is the oneness of Allah. Tawheed frees a person from the cruelty of polytheism, fear, and the slavery of creation. Allah Ta'ala says in the Holy Quran in Surah Baqarah, verse number 163, Wa ilahukum ilahu wahid. Your Lord is only one. The concept of Tawheed in Islam is so clear and pure that it ends centuries of religious confusion. Dear friends, number two is Islam's unique system of justice. Islam made justice obligatory and declared oppression a mercy. Allah Ta'ala says in the Holy Quran in Surah Ma'idah, verse number 8, I'dilu huwa aqrabu lit-taqwa. Be just, it is nearer to pity. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in Sahih Muslim hadith number 4721, Innal muqsitina inda Allahi ala manabira min nur. Indeed, the dispensers of justice in the world, the dispensers of justice will be seated on the pulpits of light beside Allah. Islamic justice rises above color, race, tribe, and religion. This is the merit that gave new life to the concept of justice in the world. Dear friends, number three is respect for human life. Islam is a religion that Islam is a religion equal to the responsibility, equal to the for Islam respect for human life. Islam gave this Islam equal to the all humanity. Allah Ta'ala says in the Holy Quran in Surah Ma'idah, verse number 32, Man qatala nafsan bighayri nafsin aw fasadin fil ardi faka'annama qatala an-nas jami'a. It means if someone kills an innocent person, it is as if he has killed all the people. Islam gave this principle 1,000 years before today's human rights charters. Dear friends, number four is the honor and status of women. Before Islam, women suffered humiliation. Islam gave them honor inheritance, worship rights, and social respect. Allah Ta'ala says in the Holy Quran in Surah Baqarah, verse number 228, وَلَهُنَّ مِثْلُ الَّذِي عَلَيْهِنَّ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ, and women have rights equal to the responsibilities placed upon them. Islam built a woman's status upon honor and respect, upon honor and protection and respect. Number 5 is Islam message of peace. Islam is a religion of peace, love, and brotherhood. Allah Ta'ala says in the Holy Quran in Surah Yunus, verse number 25, Wallahu yad'u ila daris salam. Allah calls to the home of peace. Islam strictly forbids oppression, terrorism, and corruption and opens the door of peace. Dear friends, conclusion of this topic is the merits of Islam are so clear and heart-touching that they contain salvation for humanity, peace for the world, calmness for the heart, purity for the soul, and success in the hereafter. Islam is a religion that satisfies the mind, enlightens the heart, improves character, builds the society, and unites humanity. At last, I pray to Allah, may Allah grant us the ability to know and understand the merits of Islam. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.